Have you ever purchased a new product that had a label sticker on it, and when you tried to remove that label sticker, it left paper and nasty glue residue behind on your product? How annoying is that, right? Well, I'm going to show you how you can remove that glue and paper pretty easily using a couple of products that you already have in your kitchen, most likely. One of those products, the main one, is vegetable oil. The second product is a paper towel. This is the back of a new toilet I installed, and it came with a label on it that's meant to be temporary and removed once you install the toilet. Let's see when I take it off if it leaves any glue behind. Yep, it did. Let's take a closer look at that. See, that's what happens sometimes, and it's really frustrating trying to get that off. Just take a little bit of the oil in my paper towel, soak the paper towel with a little bit of oil, and then you're just gonna rub it on. And it's gonna take a little bit of elbow grease to get the glue to release. But I promise it will come off. See, we're already starting to make progress there. It's coming off. And then once it feels like you've got the glue residue removed, you're just going to wipe the oil off. You can use some cleaning product if you'd like. But for this video, I'm just going to give it a good wipe down with the clean side of the paper towel. And there you have it. No more glue. Nice and clean. If you found this tip helpful, please give my video a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and the bell notification. That both helps my channel out, helps it grow, and it'll also notify you of when I post future videos like this. Thanks so much.